So we start out today's video with someone who has long waist length hair. And she switches it up with this gorgeous bob haircuts. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone that has mid-length hair. Wow, look at this bob. Oh, the color, everything about this cut just looks so beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning transformation. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we dance our way into the next transformation. This particular stylist loves to have fun with his clients. And bam, money piece highlights. So she's got the contrasting hair color with this one. Very pretty. And the next client decides to shake things up with this purple money piece highlight look. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. I love how it matches her makeup. So pretty. And then here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Wow, beautiful Pixie Style. Very nice. Oh, so she's actually got an updo going here with this one. I thought it was just a pixie. A nice little surprise. So next up we have someone who is going to be styling their hair. I love her pink and blonde hair color. she did like the shaggy style bangs for this look. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.